Hello and welcome to my channel once again, Travel to Be Happy. So today I am getting on another journey, this time to the Sin City, that is Las Vegas. Today is Thursday, December the 23rd, and the time right now is around 7 p.m. Eastern. This journey is unique because I am not alone. My parents are traveling with me, and then we have multiple activities planned there over next 5 days. They flew in from Toronto yesterday, so that's the plan, to have some fun in Las Vegas, and everything will be a new experience for three of us. So let me introduce you to them. So here they are. Maybe you want to say hello. Hello. Hi everyone. Right now we are in American Airlines Admiral Club, and this terminal is Terminal 8 at John F. Kennedy Airport. I don't think I ever took any American Airlines flight in all the years I have been living here, and certainly no flight from Terminal 8. Our flight is supposed to take about 6 hours, so by the time we reach Las Vegas, it will be 11:30 Pacific time. That is around 2:30 Eastern. So it's a long flight, but hopefully we can sleep through it. Let me give you a quick view of the terminal from the lounge here. It's dark outside. It's winter, 7 o'clock, so there's not much to show. But still, this is just a quick view. My parents once again enjoying their meal, and that's me. We are on the flight right now. The time is close to 8:30 p.m., which is our departure time. I'm hoping maybe in next 10 to 15 minutes we should be taxiing to the runway and taking off soon. Hopefully the flight will not get delayed here or reaching Las Vegas. The flight seems to be completely full, but the boarding process was smooth. So let's see how it goes from here. And due to COVID, still the mask mandates are in effect. I'll show you outside that how it looks, and we'll enjoy one view. By the way, this Terminal 8 at JFK, it seems to be the home terminal for American Airlines. That's why most of the aircrafts I saw here are American Airlines, and there are three Admiral Club lounges here. I did not get an opportunity to explore all three of them because between security check and the boarding time we had only about 1 hour or so. So that's why we just stuck to the only lounge that we were in earlier. So maybe some other time I'll have an opportunity and explore the other lounges here. So here I am in Las Vegas at McCarran International Airport. I shouldn't have been surprised, but it's really insane to see the casino slots everywhere and people playing on it. So that's my first time seeing casino machines at an airport. But again, it's Vegas. What else can you expect? Actually, I should have been surprised if there were no casino slots here. Let's keep going. The time right now is about 1:10 a.m. Pacific. Our flight was about 30 minutes late. It took us another 10 minutes to deboard the plane. Now we are going to carousel number 15 to pick our luggage and then go to the hotel. So here is our suite, luxury king bedroom with a sofa cum bed, and the room number is 8817, and you can see the room is fairly nice, has an Italian appeal to it. Here is a full mini bar, and anything I touch or by mistake pick up, it will be automatically charged to my room, so I have to be very careful. And here are the snacks, some water. Yes, I'm pretty sure it must be expensive to use any of these items. So let's close this thing out. The most amazing thing about this room is the bathroom. So as you can tell that how nice it is. There's a bathtub, the shower room is separate, and there is a vanity. It also has marble flooring, and here I think is the toilet. Yes, that's right. So the room is very nice, very comfortable, and certainly enough for 3 of us. There's a full walk-in closet with a locker, and you have already seen the bed, and my parents are relaxing. It's very late in the night. It's almost 2:15 a.m. Pacific, so we have been up for almost 24 hours now. It's very tiring, so it's time to go and sleep and rest. So I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Bye bye.